Hello, Barry Anderson from Trade Ideas with today's edition of What Makes This Trade Great? ALDX, guys. So, first of all, this came from RAI. You can see the alert happened at 9:41 Eastern. 216 was the entry. Right now, it's still up 13.9%. But at one point, when it got up to this level, that was a lot more. Okay, a bigger percentage, probably about 25%. But here's the deal about this one. Now, they did have a little bit of news. I think they're dealing with some large pharma, I think AbbVie. But, you know, it had a horrible day. I cannot remember what happened here exactly. Had a horrible day here, dropped. Here was the volume, but look at the volume today on that news. And so the big deal for me, of course, was the fact that if it could ever, number one, if it could ever break out over that high right there, which is 256, I mean, look at the potential void fill. Now, I never am saying that it's going to get back up to 543, but with all this space here, there's a chance, and I'm going to watch this one tomorrow to see if it has a chance to keep filling in this void. But, you know, what a tremendous run from our AI at 216. I'm going to wait and watch. Maybe it'll even take out this high today and maybe start to run into that void area. So that was what made it great. A little bit of news and the fact that it's got a lot of room that it could keep going to until it hits the next high. All right, everybody, I want to get back into the room. Have a great evening. We'll see you then.